In this session, let us draw this figure using hatch. First, let me set the limits. Lower left is 0, 0 and upper right I am going with 200, 200. Then go with zoom all. Now first, let us draw the center circle, and the radius of the center circle is 42, and we have one more circle at the center that is of dia 28. So as usual, here also you can place two construction lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Now let me go to draw circle, center radius, and radius is 42. Then for the inner one, we have already seen the diameter is 28. So you can go with draw circle, center diameter, pick the center, and diameter is 28. Then next, let us draw the top circles, and the location of the top circle you can see here. From the center it is at 48, and because the figure is symmetry, you can take 31 on each side, so that will give you 62 from center to center. So go with offset 48, first the horizontal one, and then again offset 31, select the center line, place it on both the sides. Now let me draw these two circles. The inner circle is of dia 10 and the outer one is of 22. So go with again draw circle, center diameter, select the center, dia is 10. Then again the same option, draw circle, center diameter, select the center, and diameter is 22. Now copy these two, go with CO, pick the base point and place them. So after creating the circles, now let me place the arcs. The top one is of 48 and the bottom one is of 50, and these two arcs let me create using circle tan radius option. So I am going with draw circle, tan radius, tangent to this circle, tangent to this circle, and radius is 48. Then similarly at the bottom I want one more, so again draw circle, tan radius, tangent to this, and radius is 50. Now you can trim out the unwanted part, TR, double enter. Then directly you can select and delete the remaining portion. Now next we are going to draw the bottom circles, and again the distance you can see here from the top center it is placed at a distance of 90 vertically, and horizontal center to center is 84, that is from center you can take 42 on both the sides. So go with again offset, O enter, first is 90, select the top horizontal line and offset it, and then again offset distance is 42, select the center line and offset it on both the sides. Now let us draw the circles. If you see here, the inner circle is of 20 dia and the outer circle is of 17 radius. So draw circle, center diameter, so this is the center and the diameter is 20. Then one more circle, so circle, center radius, pick the center, radius is 17. Now we can go with copy, select the two, pick the base point and place them on the other side. Now next I need here a fillet, and the fillet radius is 25. So I am going with F enter, R enter, radius is 25. Now select the two circles 1 and 2. So this is the fillet. Then here you can trim out the unwanted portion. Whatever the unwanted portion, if you want, you can trim out. But before that, let me create the last one, that is one more fillet of radius 12 on both the sides. So again I am going with F enter, R enter, radius is 12. So I need a fillet between these two. Similarly on the other side between these two. Now go with TR, double enter. Let me trim out one by one. So even this circle I am going to trim. Now you can delete all the construction lines, and here the outer construction lines I am going to trim out on the top because I need these lines. So go with TR, double enter, trim it. This is the figure. Now the only one left is hatch. So I am going to use now hatch. So go to AutoCAD, go with hatch command, H enter. So here first let me choose the pattern. I am going to select the pattern as simple line. So go with browse, and in this I am going to select line. So this is line, select it and say OK. And now you can go with pick points. So you can go with pick points, pick inside this and say OK, and now you can see the preview. So the angle as well as the distance is too close, so you can increase the scale. I am going with hatch again, type is same, and here let me go with the scale as some 5. Again I am going with pick points, pick inside, and you can see the preview. Now still if you want, again you can go with escape. Now this time I am using escape in order to go back to hatch. If you accept, that is if you go with enter, that will be accepted. So you can go with escape. Now even I want to change the angle I am taking some 135, and the scale let me go to 10, and again you can see the preview. So this is the hatch. Again escape, let me increase the scale. This time I am going 15, and again you can see the preview. So finally I want to accept this, so directly let me go with enter and accept. So with this the figure is completed.